Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Disney Plus on Samsung TV. Quick guide step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring your Samsung TV is connected to the internet. Turn on your Samsung TV using the remote control. Navigate to the Smart Hub by pressing the Home button on the remote. Locate and select the Apps section on the Smart Hub screen. In the Apps section, use the search function to find Disney Plus. Select the Disney Plus app from the search results. Click on the Install button to download the app to your TV. Once the installation is complete, open the Disney Plus app. You will see the login screen upon opening the app. If you already have a Disney Plus account, enter your login details. If you are a new user, select the option to create a new account. Follow the on-screen prompts to set up your new account. After signing in, you may be prompted to activate your device. Take note of the activation code displayed on your TV screen. On a separate device, open a web browser and go to the Disney Plus activation website. Enter the activation code in the designated field on the website. Log into your Disney Plus account if prompted. After successful activation, return to your Samsung TV. You should now have access to your Disney Plus content. Navigate through the app to start enjoying your favorite shows and movies. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.